Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen PC. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So how do you exactly basically fix Marvel Rivals here? Well, in this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to access Marvel Rivals, which in this case, I've installed this on my Steam account. So let's go look for Marvel Rivals. Let's go ahead and look for it. So what you need to do is you need to right click on it. Want to go to properties and you want to go to install files. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to verify the game integrity of the game files. So it just basically compares the files that you already have right now with the server. So just make sure it just basically make sure that the files you currently have actually matches or is the correct version or the current files that you need to play the game. So in this case, it might take a few minutes. Go ahead and run that, and once you've done that, go ahead and run it again and see if that solves the issue. Now another thing that you could do here is you want to make sure that everything is up to date. So that includes your driver. So I'm using NVIDIA. So I'm using the NVIDIA app here. By the way, if you haven't installed the NVIDIA app, I would suggest you to install the appropriate driver for it. So in my case, again, since I'm using NVIDIA, I have the NVIDIA app here. Just want to go to graphics, drivers here, and you want to make sure that you update or install the updates that is available for your GPU, because sometimes on the GPU that is not updated can cause issues. So that's why make sure it's fully updated. As you can see, Marvel Rivals is included in this update. Now another thing that you need to do here is you might want to change the settings for your firewall. So you want to go to your search here, just type in firewall and look for the option that says allow an app through Windows Firewall. Now from here, you want to go ahead and look for Marvel Rivals. So in this case, this one. And you want to make sure at least one of them is enabled, or if you can, you go and allow all of them in here. Go and click on change settings and make sure to allow Marvel Rivals for both private and public. Once you've done that, click on OK to save your changes, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. And finally, if none of those actually work, what you could do is to basically maybe move the game files. So sometimes, like for example, if you're using Marvel Rivals or you install Marvel Rivals into an HDD, it might not be that fast. So usually it recommends you to use an SSD for this one. So right click on it, click on properties again. And what we need to do is we want to go to install files. So in this case, in the install file section, you may or may not have the option here that says move game files to a different location, folder, or even device. So in this case, if you do see that option, you can go and click on it and transfer the files to an SSD instead of using your HDD. So usually this speeds up the game itself, so that could actually help. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.